Yo, what's up everybody, it's Santanu and welcome back to the channel. Now, 2025 has been wild so far, right? We are seeing crazy advancements in AI every single day. But honestly, some of us are barely keeping up. How many times have you felt overwhelmed by your to-do list? Stuck doing the same tasks over and over? Or just wished you could work smarter, not harder? We've all been there. That's what we're diving into in this video. 11 AI tools that are so incredibly powerful, so mind-blowingly efficient, they'll completely change how you work, think, and create. Like you're gonna be kicking yourself you weren't using these sooner. If you're still working manually, struggling to stay ahead, or wasting hours on repetitive tasks, you're already behind. Alright, let's kick things off with Napkin AI. And trust me, this one's a game changer, especially if you're someone with a million ideas swirling around in your head. You know that feeling, right? You've got sticky notes everywhere, random scribbles in notebooks, voice memos you can barely understand. But here's where Napkin AI comes in. This tool lets you just brain dump everything, your notes, ideas, research, whatever, directly into the app. Then, with just one click, and I'm not exaggerating, one click, Napkin AI transforms your messy thoughts into beautiful mind maps, flowcharts, even infographics. It analyzes your notes, identifies connections, and presents everything in a way that actually makes sense. Napkin AI makes brainstorming and idea organization clean, efficient, and honestly kinda fun. Next up is Clay AI, and this one's for all the entrepreneurs, freelancers, and business owners out there. Let's be real, you could have the best product or service in the world, but if you can't find customers, it doesn't matter. Marketing and sales are key, but they can also be incredibly time consuming. That's where Clay AI swoops in to save the day. Think of it as your personal AI sales team, working around the clock to bring in new leads. Clay AI scans the entire internet, looking for potential customers who fit your ideal client profile. Then, and this is the crazy part, Clay AI crafts personalized emails and messages tailored to each individual prospect. It's like having a sales team that never sleeps, ensuring you're always connecting with the right people at the right time. Now, let's talk about research. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn, you know how much time and effort it takes to sift through mountains of information. But what if you had an AI assistant that could not only process all that information for you, but also explain it in a way that's easy to understand? That's exactly what Notebook LM does. You upload any document, a research paper, a textbook chapter, a lengthy article, and Notebook LM gets to work. It reads, analyzes, and summarizes the key takeaways, just like a super-powered highlighter. You can actually ask Notebook LM questions about the document, just like you would a real person. Need a specific fact or figure? Notebook LM has got you covered. It's like having a personal tutor who can break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. Next up is Crew AI, the AI workforce revolution. Imagine having an entire team of AI assistants, each specialized in a different task, all working tirelessly to lighten your workload. This platform is like having your own personal AI workforce, available 24/7 to tackle those repetitive, time-consuming tasks that bog you down. Think about all the things you do on a daily basis that could be automated: managing emails, scheduling meetings, creating social media content, even basic data entry. Crew AI takes all of that off your plate. You simply tell it what you need to be done, and it assigns the task to the appropriate AI agent. And because it's all powered by AI, these tasks are completed with incredible speed and accuracy. Crew AI frees you up to focus on the strategic, creative work that actually moves the needle. Next up, is Replicate AI, unleashing the power of AI for everyone. We've all seen the incredible things AI can do, but let's be real, not everyone's a coder. That's where Replicate AI comes in, making the power of AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. Think of it as a giant library of pre-built AI models, all ready to go. Want to generate stunning images from text prompts? Replicate AI has got you. Need to create realistic voiceovers from text? It can do that too. Replicate AI has models for everything from language translation to data analysis to even scientific research. It's like having a team of AI experts at your fingertips, ready to execute your ideas without the technical hurdles. Next is more interesting with Devin AI, the AI software engineer. Alright, let's talk about coding. For developers, it's the foundation of everything, but it can also be incredibly time consuming, even tedious at times. But what if there was an AI that could write, debug, and even deploy code for you? Introducing Devin AI, the world's first AI software engineer. Devin AI can actually understand your project requirements and write entire blocks of code from scratch. It's like having a super-powered coding buddy who can crank out code at lightning speed. Devin AI is a game changer for the entire tech industry, making coding faster, more efficient, and honestly, a lot less painful. Alright, we're getting to the really mind-blowing stuff now. Imagine this, you need to create high-quality videos for your business, your YouTube channel, or your online courses, but you don't want to be on camera, and you don't have a big budget for fancy studios and editing software. Sounds impossible, right? Not with HeyGen AI. This tool lets you create incredibly realistic AI avatars that can deliver your message with the same energy and charisma as a real person. HeyGen AI uses advanced machine learning to create avatars that look, move, and sound incredibly lifelike. You can customize everything from their appearance to their voice to their mannerisms, creating a digital spokesperson that perfectly represents your brand. It's like having your own personal AI video production studio right at your fingertips. Okay, let's be honest. Artificial intelligence voices have gotten better, but they still often sound, well, a little robotic, right? But what if artificial intelligence could capture the nuances of human speech, the emotion, the inflection, the subtle pauses that make a voice truly captivating? That's exactly what ElevenLabs Artificial Intelligence is doing. This tool isn't just about creating AI voices. It's about creating AI voices that feel real, authentic, and emotionally resonant. ElevenLabs AI creates voices that can convey joy, sadness, excitement, even sarcasm, making your content more engaging and relatable. Imagine listening to an audiobook narrated by an AI that can make you laugh, cry, and everything in between. Next up is Runway AI, from text to cinematic masterpiece. Alright, buckle up, because this one is straight out of the future. Imagine this, you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone with a wild imagination. You have an idea for a video, a scene, a whole movie even, but you don't have the time, resources, or budget to shoot it traditionally. That's where Runway AI comes in. This revolutionary tool uses AI to generate video from text prompts. You literally type in what you want to see, and Runway AI brings it to life. We're talking about the democratization of video creation, where anyone with an internet connection and a spark of creativity can create stunning cinematic quality videos without ever picking up a camera. Next is Autopod AI, the end of tedious podcast editing. For all the podcasters out there, you know the pain of editing. Hours spent cutting out ums and ahs, removing background noise, and trying to make your audio sound crisp and professional. But what if AI could take over the tedious parts of podcast editing? freeing you up to focus on creating amazing content. That's the promise of Autopod AI. This tool is like having a personal audio engineer who can clean up your audio, reduce background noise, and even transcribe your episodes in real time. You simply upload your raw audio file and Autopod AI gets to work. It automatically identifies and removes filler words, silences, and other distractions. Autopod AI lets you reclaim your time so you can focus on what matters most, connecting with your audience. Next and final one for today is Omi, the mind-blowing future of AI control. Alright, we've saved the most mind-blowing for last. Imagine a world where you can control AI with your thoughts. No typing, no clicking, no voice commands. Just pure mind power. This groundbreaking technology uses advanced brain-computer interfaces to allow you to interact with AI in ways we never thought possible. Imagine controlling your smart home with your thoughts, composing music without touching an instrument, or even designing 3D models just by imagining them. OMI is a glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction, and it's a future that's both exciting and a little bit terrifying. So there you have it, 11 AI tools that are changing the game in 2025. From brainstorming and research to video editing and even mind control, AI is revolutionizing the way we work and live. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. The question is, are you ready to embrace it? Which one of these tools blew your mind? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more incredible AI insights.